Hello and welcome. You're watching KTV India and I am Varsha Venugopal. A major political storm is once again building inside Parliament, this time over the SIR issue, with the opposition demanding that all other business be suspended to discuss the deaths of BLOs and the larger questions surrounding the SIR exercise. Today, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh gave a formal notice asking for an immediate, exclusive debate on the matter, and this has triggered a fresh wave of opposition mobilization. Political temperature is rising because the marked protest planned by the opposition is not just a symbolic gesture, it is becoming a real test of opposition unity. Last session, protests were largely driven by Bihar, but this time the situation is far wider. 12 states are currently undergoing SIR exercises, which means the political stakes are much higher. Parties like the Samajwadi Party, DMK, Trinamool Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party cannot afford to stay out. In fact, an interesting political undercurrent is that the Trinamool Congress, though not present in yesterday's strategy meeting in KC Venugopal's room, is still clearly involved. Senior leaders Jairam Ramesh and Derek O'Brien held a phone conversation, and TMC sources initially said they were busy in another meeting, but they were very much inside Parliament at the time. The sense in the opposition camp is that TMC wants to be present, yet avoid being seen in the same photo frame with Congress. But SIR is a core issue for them, and the compulsion to join the protest is stronger than the optics they want to avoid. On the government side, there is also a shift. Last session, the government resisted a direct debate on SIR, pushing instead for a broad conversation on electoral reforms. But this time, when Minister Kiran Rijiju spoke in the Rajya Sabha, he made it clear that the government is not averse to discussing SIR or electoral reforms. And that's a significant change in tone. The opposition too seems more flexible. Earlier, they insisted on discussing only on SIR. Now, many leaders say they are open to a debate on SIR or electoral reforms or whatever the government wants to call it, as long as the issue is taken up seriously. But the real tension lies in what a full electoral reform debate would include. One nation, one election, voter ID, Aadhaar linkage, criminalization of politics, and of course the SIR system itself. The government is comfortable with these larger issues, but the opposition fears the discussion may drift away from SIR and wants to ensure SIR remains at the center. A senior BJP functionary even told, "What's the harm in discussing SIR? The Supreme Court has already given the green signal. Bihar's experience shows nothing is wrong. There is no need for the government to be on the back foot," but the opposition is not convinced, and with breaking developments still coming, it is clear that the SIR confrontation is shaping up to the biggest political flashpoint on the session. This is Varsha Venugopal for KTV India. Keep watching for more such updates.